This video is also being made to document the sales condition of the machine prior to executing payment and arranging transport. In case of a future insurance claim, this video will be made available to all interested parties. We're going to document the machine does not leak, the heater works, and the water gets hot. The ultrasonics work using a testing procedure provided by the manufacturer. The machine is being sold as is, where is. There's a 15% restocking fee on all returned items sold by Donna as Island Girl 2468. The buyer is responsible for 100% of all freight charges. There will be long periods of silence and inactivity in this video to allow for proper testing time periods. First thing we're going to do is take a temperature reading. We're going to take another temperature reading later on.
86.
Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is move the camera to show the pump working and the water coming through the weir bar. The pump working and the water coming through the weir bar. Okay.
So it might go soon then, huh?
Next we're going to do the tin foil test of the ultrasonics as provided by Omegasonic. The tin foil will be submerged in the water for a period of 2 minutes. You will see nothing happening during this 2 minutes.
Okay, we're at 89 degrees is where we started. You should take a picture of that. Right now it's on.
Okay, we've got the clock running, and if you're watching this at another location or another company, we're going to let this go for 2 minutes.
You don't need to go 2 minutes.
All right, I'm coming in to look because I can't see.
I'm going to lay it right up here so you can see the green through the back of it.
I don't know if that's... Can you hold it up against the light? Oh, that's good. So there we have it. It only took a minute, and it's destroying the tinfoil, all those holes.
I've never seen that. Look at this, dude. That's about a minute. It works.
Can we have another temperature reading, please?
See where the tip is.
It's 100 degrees right now.
Okay. So this is the condition of the machine at the time of sale. There are no guarantees stated or implied. The machine is being sold as is, where is. Thank you very much.
It started out at 77 degrees. And put your hand there, nice and warm.
Okay.
Feels weird.
It does kind of.